Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video series, I'll be teaching you everything about Python, starting from the basics up until the more advanced concepts such as inheritance and polymorphism and all that good stuff. We'll basically try to make you into a Python developer. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is find a place where you can actually write your code. And that place is called an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. My favorite IDE is called Spyder. Spyder in Anaconda, right? So I'll leave the link in the description so you can download it yourself. But the steps for Windows, Mac, and Linux are very, very similar. Just follow along and you should be able to set it up easily. So you go here and then you click on download. It's going to direct you to the bottom of the page. And you have Windows, Mac, and Linux. For me, it is Windows. I will choose the 64-bit graphical installer, download that, and once that's done, you click on it and let it install and finish. I have it already installed, so I might want to skip that step. Okay, you'll get an icon that looks something like this. You click on it, right, and this interface will appear. Your IDE is this one right here called Spyder. Spyder. Okay, and then you're going to install it and then click launch, and something like this should show up. And basically this is your IDE. Okay, so let's print something really quickly to see if it's working. Okay, and it says hello. Okay, so if you've gone up to this step, you've successfully installed your IDE. You're ready to learn about coding and everything that has to do with Python. So let's get right into it. But if you didn't get to this point and you're feeling lazy, you could go on Google, write something like this, Python Online Compiler, and you could just follow along from here. Okay? Right, see you in the next video.